Sa muling paghaharap ng dalawang hari ng Philippine Volleyball, nangibabaw si Brian Bagunas laban kay Mark Espejo. Marami nga ang nag-abang para muling masaksihan ang duelo sa pagitan ng dalawang Pinoy champions. The last time kasi na nagharap si Mark at Brian ay noon pang 2022 sa Japan V-League. Naglaro para sa FC Tokyo si Mark habang nasa Oita Miyoshi naman si Brian Bagunas. Ngayon, nagbabalik bilang local players ang dalawa after their successful stint abroad. As expected, buhat na buhat ni Brian ang signal. First set pa nga lang ay agad na nagpasiklab si Bazooka.
For the teams, but you will never get tired of this picture-perfect delivery.
Nakalayo ang signal pero nakarecover din naman ang crisscross through their offensive net defense. Bumida para sa crisscross si Jude Garcia, combining 5 attacks and 2 blocks to win the opening set. Sa set 2, nagkaroon ng in-game adjustments ang signal, particularly on attacking the blockers of crisscross. Na-activate rin ang depensa nila sa net na siyang naging turning point to get the second set. Nakabawi ang crisscross sa third set, on point na naman ang kanilang blockings. Unfortunately for signal, nilabas sa tail end ng set si Brian Bagunas due to intense cramping.
Cramping up. Ayan, ayan, no?
His calf is super cramping up right now. Kita nyo.
Everything for every serve. Still ahead by 2, but
Sinamantala ng crisscross ang Brian-less signal. It was Mark Espejo who did the finishing kick after scoring 2 consecutive points upang kunin ang 2-1 lead. Sa set 4, lamang ng halos 5 ang crisscross. They were on track to finish off the match pero naka-recover from his cramp si Brian. Midway muling pinasok si Bagunas and since then, nag-iba na ang ihip ng laban. Malaking factor ang presence si Brian on court dahil mas lalong ginanaan ng kanyang mga teammates. At 23 deadlock, bumira ng 2 sunod na punto si Brian Bagunas to force a 5th set. Sa final set, na-outperform ni Brian si Mark. 5 crucial points ang naikamada ni Brian, including 3 consecutive attacks to put signal at match point.
Bagunas. Happening here for Brian.
Senelyuhan ni umandal ang laban with powerful hit. A signal wins the highly contested game. 20-25, 25-15, 23-25, 25-23, and 15-12. Kumamada ng 27 points si Brian at hinirang bilang player of the game. Si Jude Garcia ang leading scorer ng crisscross with 20 points habang pumangalawa naman si Mark Espejo with 19 points from 15 attacks, 3 blocks, and 1 service ace. On top of the standings ang signal with 5-0 win-loss record. Nasa ikatlong pwesto naman ang crisscross with 4 wins and 1 loss.